Okay, welcome back to how to increase your conversions in your marketing. In this video, we're going to be talking about squeeze pages and what you can do to increase conversions in your squeeze pages. Now, we're going to be looking at a squeeze page done by Charles Kirkland and a partner promoting a Facebook ads product. And what you'll see in that product and in the squeeze page that drove traffic to the to their call is that the focus is very narrow, right? So you won't find that there's a lot going on their page, and you're going to see that here in a minute. The content should be above the fold. So again, these are things that you can do on your squeeze pages. And you're going to see that in this very highly converting page. And you're going to see how this really plays into people taking the action that you want. Of course, when you don't have a lot of content, it's all above the fold. It's going to load quickly, and your page should load quickly also. You should have a captivating headline, and it should be focused on the strongest benefit. You're going to see that here also. And again, you can use these things as a checklist. Now, you won't see a bullet list, but you will see an opt-in box, and that's something that your squeeze page should have. And you should have essential pages, privacy policy, terms and conditions, email privacy, and your name and contact information whenever possible. Now, you're going to see that here in this page. So let's take a look at this page right now. Now, remember, we talked about the fact that you should have a very narrow focus, right? There isn't much to discuss here. There's nothing much for you to do other than to opt in. All the content is above the fold. As a matter of fact, there isn't much content at all. And the headline is captivating. It might be a little long, right? But there isn't much more to read. And you'll notice that it's pretty much focused on the benefit, right? People who want leads and people who don't want to spend a lot of time learning it or doing it are going to benefit. Boy, that's a captivating headline. There's an opt-in box there. There are the essential pages. You see that there at the bottom. You'll see the earnings disclosure, terms and conditions, privacy policy, DMCA. All those things are there. Okay, so that doesn't turn people off. As a matter of fact, it gives people trust that you're trying to do things the right way. Your name and contact information. I'm thinking that if you went to look for ES3 Marketing LLC in Limestone, Tennessee, you'd probably find somebody you'd be able to contact. So what you'll see here is that all of these things lend to trust on the squeeze page and can and will lend themselves to your getting more opt-ins, and that is what you want. Okay, so make sure that you look at that example and then use these things on your squeeze pages to make sure that you are getting the maximum conversions. Okay, and with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.